Do you know that the US national debt has surpassed 36 trillion in early 2025? That's more than the GDP of China, Japan and Germany combined. So do you think that America is on the brink of financial collapse? Today we are examining the alarming rise in the US debt, exploring how the government spending has reached unprecedented level and what this could mean for the United States financial future. The US government spending at record rates. In fiscal year 2024, federal spending was approximately 6.75 trillion while revenue were around 4.92 trillion, leaving a deficit of 1.83 trillion. Some of you who don't know what is deficit is, please have a look of my one of the old video which I made on India-US trade relation. Much of this spending goes towards healthcare, social security and defense. However, as interest rate rise, so does the cost of servicing this debt, further straining the budget. Economists warn that if this trend continues, the US could face a debt crisis. So, where is all this money going? Social programs like Medicare and Social Security accounts for nearly 50% of federal spending. Defense spending alone is over 800 billion annually. With the population aging, healthcare and social security costs are expected to soar even higher. Could the US actually go bankrupt? While it's unlikely due to the US dollar status as the world's reserve currency, the economic consequences of unchecked debt are severe. If trust in the US economy erode, we could see a downtime similar to the 2008 financial crisis, but on much larger scale. Additionally, if the BRICS nations establish their own currency to challenge the dominance of the dollar, it could further undermine the US economy by reducing global reliance on the dollar. What do you think about the America's rising debt? Is there a way out, or US headed for crisis and we all are headed for one more great recession? Share your thought in the comment below and please like, subscribe and stay tuned for more such videos.